In the previous discussion, we discussed about mixtures. We all know that mixtures has two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. For today, we're going to talk about solution, which is a special type of homogeneous mixtures. Solution, as I said a while ago, it is a special kind of a homogeneous mixtures. It is a mixture that has also a uniform composition. Now, there are two components of a solution, solvent and the solute. Solvent is a component of a solution that dissolves the solute, and it is normally greater in amount of a mixture. So, example of solvent is water. Water is considered as the universal solvent. While solute is a component of a solution that is being dissolved, normally present in a smaller amount in a mixture. For example, sugar in coffee. Sugar is considered as a solute. Another one is salt. These substances from the previous slide is considered as solute because of its solubility. When we said solubility, it is the ability of a solute to be dissolved from a solvent in each solution. For instance, this one. Sugar can be dissolved in water because it has this what we call ability to dissolve, that is what we call solubility. Solution can be saturated or unsaturated. When we said saturated solution, it is a solution that contains the maximum amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. We can say that a solution is saturated if the amount of solute is greater than the amount of the solvent, just like in this example. While unsaturated solution is a solution that contains less than amount of solute that is capable of being dissolved. We can say that the solution is unsaturated if it has less than amount of solute compared to the amount of solvent. Just like in this example. We can also determine if the solution is saturated or unsaturated by its color. Unsaturated solution has lighter in color than saturated solution. Then, the consistency of a solution. The saturated solution has thicker in consistency than unsaturated solution. Happy learning!